Water. It's the lifeline of any nation. But sometimes it also becomes the center of international tension. In South Asia, a decades old water sharing pact is now caught in the crossfire of geopolitics. And you must be aware that I'm talking about the Indus Waters Treaty. After the recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam, the Indian government announced a significant move: the suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty. This 1960 agreement, brokered by the World Bank, governs the distribution of river waters between India and Pakistan. However, this sudden decision has left Pakistan deeply concerned. And why so? Well, that's because Pakistan's economy and agriculture rely heavily on the water flowing from the Indus River system. Without it, the country faces serious challenges. In response, Pakistan has made repeated requests to India to reinstate the treaty. Notably, Pakistan had earlier raised concerns at the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague, objecting to the design of two hydroelectric projects India is developing. The case moved forward in the court, but India refused to recognize the process or its verdict. India completely rejected the court's decision, reiterating that it doesn't acknowledge the court's jurisdiction in this matter. And now, according to Pakistan's Foreign Office, the agreement is not only legally binding but also vital for regional stability. Their latest statement says, "We urge India to immediately restore the normal functioning of the Indus Waters Treaty and fulfill its obligations under the treaty fully and faithfully." The core of Pakistan's argument is that the Indus Waters Treaty must be respected both in letter and spirit. Whereas, on the other hand, India maintains that it has followed the treaty while protecting its own national interests. Now, as the region watches closely, the fate of the Indus Waters Treaty hangs in balance. Will dialogue prevail, or will the waters of diplomacy continue to run dry? Well, only time will tell, but what are your views? Do comment and let us know.